Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you what to do if the newly downloaded app not showing on iPhone home screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Method number 1. Open the app library and tap and hold the app that you want to add to iPhone home screen, and the menu will appear and we have to tap on add to home screen and the app will appear on your iPhone home screen. The second method is go to settings, find and tap on home screen and select add to home screen. If you select add app library only, then the newly downloaded apps not showing in iPhone home screen, so we have to select add to home screen. Number 3, reset the home screen layout. For that, simply launch settings, then tap general and tap reset and tap reset home screen layout and tap again reset home screen. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.